The Youth and Children's Studies program really takes a comprehensive approach at what it means to be a child and what it means to be youth. You get to have real-world experience as well as classroom experience. And you get to learn so many different theories, skills, and concepts that relate to working with children and youth and how you can be an advocate for them.
This program is really unique, especially for people who want to become teachers, because they prioritize people in this program to get into the Teachers College program. I will be going to Laurier Teachers College this fall. I think this program has really helped me set up my knowledge and experience and prepare me for that.
In your third year, you have a placement where you get to work with a community organization within Brantford. So this could be a school, this could be something like the Strong Start to Reading program. There's so many options. One of the benefits is that it really helps you figure out what you want to do. It's one thing to learn all of these concepts, but then when you actually get out there and you're really able to just see how what you're learning in class translates to the real world.
I love the professors in this program. They're all so awesome. They're all super supportive. They're really easy to talk to and get to know.
Everyone cares about you. Everyone loves to see you succeed, and the second you get here, you feel like you're already a Golden Hawk. It's just an environment where you can really be yourself, and there's always a place for you.